Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. I want to show you something I've been working on. It's a simple flyback driver. See the flyback there? It's out of an old CRT TV. That's my electrode stand there. Here's the circuitry that makes it work. Explain that later. Here's a couple of electrodes I made. One's a Jacob's ladder, one's a standard, just a little standard spark gap. Made them out of cold steel. This is my power supply here, just a standard battery charger. Circuit runs at 6 volts at 10 amps, 12 volts at 2 amps, 12 volts at 10 amps. I'll take all three. This is the power supply I just built out of an old computer power supply. It's got a negative 12 volt rail, negative 5 volt rail, 3.3 volts, 5 volts, 12 volts. That's the red standby light there, that's the on off switch. Switch it on. Green light means she's good to go. I'll use that in another video on another project. Show you how it works. What we got here is the transistor for the flyback. It's supposed to be a 2N3055. That's where I copied the circuit from. But I didn't have a 2N3055, so I originally used one of these, which is a 2SD870. It didn't work out so well, it burnt out. So I went with a IRF630 Mosfet. I took an old PC heatsink and fan to keep it cool on the backside. I zip tied the original heatsink to the front, keeps it nice and cold so I don't have to turn it on and off every 10 seconds. I can leave it running for minutes at a time. Here's my resistors, a 10 watt 10 ohm resistor there. I think that's a quarter watt 100 ohm, and a quarter watt 20 ohm possibly. Of course there's the batteries for the heatsink. Keep her nice and cool. There's the on off switch for the machine. Let's see her work. Let's throw some sparks. Sorry guys for that pause, I had to grab my chicken stick. Let's turn her on now. There she goes. Hot bolt of plasma. Listen to that baby hum. Alright. Switch over to a Jacob's ladder. Be right back. Okay, we're back with our Jacob's ladder setup. Got 2 holes drilled in the board there, and I just simply attach my electrodes to it, or my connections to it. Let's fire it up. That's running at 12 volts, 10 amps. Nothing too special here. Copied from a 2N3055 flyback driver circuit. I didn't have a 2N3055, so I used what I had in hand, which just so happened to be this here lucky Mosfet. This over here is the Bedini motor I've been talking about. Running slowly but steady. A little bit of controls here. It's the charge battery. It's the drive battery. This coil right here is the drive coil. And the one underneath the bottom there, I don't know if you can see it, that's the trigger coil. This motor doesn't have any rectification on it, so it's not collecting energy, so to speak. This is my camera that I leave on this motor 24/7, so that if it does stop in the middle of the night for some reason, I'll know why. about it for now, guys. Hopefully I'll make another video soon, give you an update. I'm gonna focus on this baby next time. Thanks for watching.